शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Okay, today we learn about the grammar, that is language and grammar. The heading is language and grammar. It is in your textbook page number 15. Open your textbook page number 15, language and grammar. First we learn about the noun. So as you all know, what is noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animal. So noun andre enu? A noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animal of the same class or same kind. ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ. ನೌನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನೌನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್, place, things or animals of a same class or same kind. Okay, next comes towards the a common noun. So next noun ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ different types of nouns ಇದಾವ. So ಈ noun ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆದಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ, ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ common noun. So the name itself indicates that common ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So commonly we use some words. Common ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. There is a sentence given here. A common noun is the name given in a common to every person or a thing of the same class or same kind. A common noun is the name of a common name. A common noun is the common name of a person, place, thing in same class and kind. Same kind ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ವಸ್ತು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕಾಮನ್ ನೌನ್. For example, boy, girl, yes, cow, yes, next what? Dog. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಹೆಸರುಗಳು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬಾಯ್, ಹುಡುಗನ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏ ಬಾಯ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೆಯೋದೇನು? ಬಾಯ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಗರ್ಲ್. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ her name, so that time we call it as commonly we call her as a girl. Next cow, dog. Yes, commonly same class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಥಿಂಗ್, ಅನಿಮಲ್ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? We don't know that name, but still we call it as a boy, girl, dog, cow. These are all called as the common noun. I'll repeat once again. A common noun is the common name of a person, place, thing in a same class and kind. Okay, next, a proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person or a thing or a place. All proper nouns begins with the capital letter. All proper nouns begin with the capital letter. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, thing, place, thing. Okay. Next, it is starts with the, it is starts with the capital letter. So, a proper noun is always starts or begins with the capital letter. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, thing. It is starts with the capital letter. Means we cannot change that name because it is particular. We cannot change that. We cannot change this over that name. Particular names means, for example, place Chennai. So, Chennai na ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. We cannot change that place because it's a particular name it has. Next, Ravi. Next, what? Suma. Next, a river name called Ganga, Yamuna. So many examples we get in the proper noun. Getting my point? Proper noun means it is particularly fixed. For example, your name. Whatever your name. My name is Nirupama. It's a proper noun. Like that, your name is also proper noun. If we call a boy, girl, dog, means it's a common noun. And for example, Ganga. Which noun it is? Ganga. It's a river name. It is proper noun. Means particularly that name is fixed. We cannot change that name. Ganga river is Ganga only. Yamuna is Yamuna only. Yes. Kaveri is Kaveri only. Like that, there is a proper noun. I hope you all have understood these nouns. What is common noun and what is proper noun? Commonly we call the place, thing, name is called as the common noun. Particular place, things, names we call it as the proper noun. Got my point? Yes. Particular city name, particular river name, particular person name, we call it as the proper nouns. So dear students, please make a note of with this. Okay, note it down. Next, coming towards the fill in the blanks with the suitable nouns of your choice. Indicate whether they are common or a proper nouns. Follow the example. So here they have given the some fill in the blanks suitable nouns. You need to enter in that blank and you need to mention whether which noun it is. It is a common noun or it is a proper noun. Okay, we'll see that. So it is in the page number 16. Turn your page. Yes. Next, first one, Krish is a good boy. Example they have given, that is A. Example, Krish is a good boy. Here they have underlined the Krish. So which noun it is? It is the proper noun. Yes, the Krish is the proper noun. Next, second one, a dash lives in the forest. Lion. A lion lives in the forest. It is a common noun. Common noun. Commonly we call it as the lion. We are not mentioning here lion name. Commonly we calling a lion in a forest. There are so many lions. So common noun. Krish is having the particular name. So that's why it is the proper noun. Lion lives in the forest. Common noun. Next, third one. I live in Chennai. It is a big town. Here Chennai. Which noun it is? Chennai. So again it has the particular name. Chennai is the particular place name. So we write it as the proper noun. We cannot change the place name. So that's why it's a proper noun. Next, another one, my name is. Fourth one, my name is. You all of you write your name. I am writing here my name. My name is Nirupama. So which noun it is? It is the again proper noun. Means I am having the particular name. So that's why it's a proper name. And example, your name is also proper noun. Next, 4 we written. Next, fifth one. I like to eat bread and butter for my breakfast. For breakfast means butter. Butter has any particular name? No. Commonly we call it as the butter only. So it's a common noun. Commonly we call it as the milk, butter, ghee. Yes, it doesn't have the particular any name. Commonly we call it as those names called as the common noun. Next, again it comes the he put the glass down. Glass. Here, glass. Which noun it is? Glass has any name? No. Glass is glass only. Commonly we call it as a glass only. It doesn't have any particular name. That's why it's again called the common noun. Okay. Next. Dash is the name of my pet dog. So think that you are having some pet dog in your home. So you keep some name for that. For example, I am writing here Joy. Joy is the name of my pet dog. So here the dog is having the particular name called Joy. That's why it is the proper noun. It has a particular name. So this is the proper noun. Proper noun. Got my point? And understood the difference between the common noun and the proper noun? Okay. We'll move to the next. There is again one noun is there called collective noun. Collective noun is the group of a person, things taken together. We called as the collective noun. Means bulk agi, all together. It may be a group of animals, group of persons, group of things. Everything is all together. Not a single. Here all together we call it as the collective noun. For example, an army is a group of soldiers. We call it as the army. Army means a group of soldiers. Here army is the example for the collective noun. Like that, a crowd is a group of people. Crowd means group of people. One in the fair, the group of people are gathered there. Here instead of using the group of people, we can call it as the crowd. A huge crowd is gathered over there. Got my point? Yes. Next, a herd is a group of cows. Group of cows, we call it as the herd. Next, a team is a group of players. Group of players, we call it as the team. Team is the collective noun. Understood? Now, here they have given the some fill in the blanks. Write the proper collective nouns in that. Fleet, class, bunch, crowd, herd. So, a collection of people. Collection of people, we call it as the what? Crowd. Group of peoples, we call it as the crowd. Next, Second one, collection of ships. We call it as the fleet. Fleet. All ships together, we call it as the fleet. Next, third one, a collection of pupils. Pupil means students. A group of students we can see in the classroom. That's why it's a class. A pupils, collection of pupils, we call it as the class. Next comes to the a collection of buffaloes. Collection of cows or the collection of buffaloes, we call it as the herd. H-E-R-D, herd. Next, a collection of grapes. Have you seen the grapes? How it is? Yes? Means here the grapes are like this. Yes? So, we can see the grapes like this. This one we call it as the collection of grapes. We call it as the bunch. So, these are all of the collective nouns. Crowd, fleet, class, herd, bunch. Bunch of grapes. Okay? Understood? Okay. Dear students, from nouns to till collective noun. I told you in today's class. So, complete these all exercises in your textbook. Also copy it into your Fairbook. These are all your homework. So, this is your homework. I am writing here only. So, copy it into your Fairbook and write neatly. We'll meet in the next class.